In this video, we are going to learn about how to make money online in 2022 in 4 easy ways. Okay, so we're going to do that right after this. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are most welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, you are a new subscriber, you are most welcome. And please don't forget to click on the red button. Okay, so let's get straight to the video. The first step we're going to take is going to YouTube video. Go to YouTube and get a video. Okay, we're going to use that video to make money. Okay, so let's go to YouTube direct. Okay, I opened these things earlier on because my network was not okay. So first of all, you have to look for some video that has more views. Many people always search something like lost weight. Okay, so we search for this. Okay, search for something that has more views. Okay, this one has more views. Okay, so let's say we get the link. Okay, we have to get the link of this video. Go to share, copy the link. Okay, so the next step after copying the link, the next step is the website where we're going to make the money. Okay, so I have them ready here. So this one here is called Adsfly. Okay, this one here, you can see it, Adsfly. So this way we're going to make the money. Mine is ready already. I made some money here, but I didn't spend a lot of money, a lot of time, on this website here. But it's something that makes money. Okay, so you come to this Adsfly. You see here, shrink. You're going to shrink your link that you got from the YouTube. Okay, paste here, you shrink. Okay, it's shrunk already. Copy. Okay, then the next place we're going to go to, we shall get to this place later. I'm going to explain something more here later. Okay, we have shrunk this the link here already, so we have to go to another website to shorten the link again. Okay, you're going to ask me, why do you have to shorten it twice? Okay, but I'm going to explain the reason behind we have shortened it twice. Okay, so here you come to bit.ly.com. okay, bit.ly.com. here it's just free, it's a free website. So here you paste that link here and then shorten it. Okay, here it has been shortened already. That's the YouTube link. Okay, they have been shortened twice. So you copy this. So let's go to the final website where you're going to get the traffic. You have to give this, people have to click this link in order for you to make money. Okay, I'm going to get for you a place where you're going to get more traffics. Okay, so let's come to weight loss here. I've gotten those ones. You just have to type weight loss here. Okay, I got those things ready because my network was not easy, was not that stable. Okay, so you can see the form here. You can see the form. It has free and many people talking here and many conversation, a lot of you can just see a lot of conversations here. So you can come and post yours here. So you have to log in. You log in or you sign up as a new person here. You have to sign up. Okay, so me, I had it already, so I don't know if now this one here is going to take me hell of long time. Okay, but I have to explain to you. So if you're already here, okay, you have to look for the group. you have to look for where you have to, post. It's written somewhere here if you log in. So you post your link here. You have to write something small, just like how you have seen those people have written. It's just small as this. See? Too small. Just a line or 2 lines. You see, you get something like this. Okay, see, those are views. See here, those are views. If you get these views, you make some money, and you keep posting. Okay, you keep posting. You see here, those are views. All this you post here. Okay, after posting here, then that's where you see you'll be getting views here. When you get views here, the views here is what gives you the money, and the money, it depends on the click from the country. Okay, so let's go to top countries. You see here, if somebody from Japan clicks, you are going to get too low amount of money. Pakistan, you get too low. India, too low. You see, UK, you see here, somehow bigger than this. You see, it depends on the country where the person clicks. It's like if you click from Asia, the money is going to be too small. So from South Africa here, somehow higher, but not as this one and the one of United States. You see here, not all African countries also. You see here, Cameroon, it's too low also. It's too low. It's just like here with Japan. Okay, so it depends on which country clicks. Okay, so that's how you make your money. So if you are from United States or you are from any European country, you'll be making a lot of money. Okay, so the reason why we had to shrink here and then take it for to be shortened using this site here is because if you just carry this one from your if you just carry from here and then you take it to the phone and post your link here, they will definitely know that you are here to make money. They will know you are coming here to make money, and then your link will not be able to post here. They will say you are they say a spam. Okay, and then they give you some warning. That's why you have to shorten it there and then bring it here. It will be easily, you can easily post here. Okay, so you can try. You try. If you fail, then you text me there. Give your comment and say you failed, I wasn't right. Okay, but I'm sure 100%, just like how you have seen there. I had how many views? Let me see, 22 views. You see, I just post the same thing. Okay, as easy as that. That's how you make the money. Okay, so I've come to the end of the video. If you really like the video, please don't forget to comment, share with friends. Don't be stingy. We have to make money together. Okay, so I will meet you next time. See you. Bye.